In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Wix. We'll take you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring that you end up with a successful online store. So let's dive right in. First off, navigate over to Wix.com and get logged in. This is your starting point to accessing all your website building tools. Once you're logged in, you should be on the main dashboard where you can see all the sites you have built. Here, select the site you want to edit by clicking on Select and Edit Site. This step takes you to the specific dashboard of the website you're working on, giving you access to further customization options. Now on this site dashboard, look for the Apps option. This is your gateway to enhance your store's functionality. Once you click on it from the drop-down menu, head to the App Market. The Wix App Market is where you can find an array of apps that can be integrated into your site to support selling digital products. In the App Market, use the search box to type Wix Store. It's user-friendly and straightforward, and this search will guide you to a specific option designed for selling products on your site. Once it pops up in the results, click on Wix Store to start setting it up. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Catalog section on your dashboard and select Products. From here, click on New Product. It's time to add your product to the store. Be sure that when prompted, you choose Digital Product. Although our initial instructions pointed toward a physical product, this is actually where you get to specify that what you're selling is digital. Now let's sort out your product's visuals. You'll need to upload relevant images or videos that represent your digital product. This part is crucial as images often attract potential buyers, giving them a glimpse of what they're purchasing. Then, move on to the Product Info section. Here, you will need to enter a name for your digital product. Make sure the name is catchy yet descriptive, allowing potential customers to understand what it's about at a glance. Then proceed to write a comprehensive description. Try to include the benefits of your product, as well as any unique selling points to make it stand out. After that, set your pricing. Think carefully about how you want to price your digital product to stay competitive while ensuring it reflects the value it delivers. With that settled, all that's left is to hit Publish to make your product live on your online store. And that's it. You've successfully set up your digital product to sell on Wix. Remember, maintaining your store with updates on products and prices can improve customer satisfaction and drive sales. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your e-commerce journey smoother on Wix.